What's up guys, this is CoolCustCollectibles, and today we're going to be building Anakin's Jedi Starfighter. To start things off, I decided to give it a pre-shade, and for this I used TAMIYA X1 Black. For the pre-shading, you want to make sure to get all the panel lines. After the pre-shading was complete, it was time to lay down some base color, and for this I used XF19 Sky Gray. Now what you want to do is use the base coat to cover a majority of the model, but just leave a little bit of the pre-shading showing up underneath. After I was satisfied with the base color, it was time to paint the yellow accents, and for this I used TAMIYA Flat Yellow. After completing painting of the yellow accents, it was time to add some paint chips to those yellow accents, and for this I used the TAMIYA Sky Gray. For the laser cannons, I painted them with a base coat of black and then dry brushed over CITADEL IRONBREAKER. To start the weathering process, I started to do some panel lining, and for this I used TAMIYA Panel Line Accent Color. The next step in the weathering process was to use some oil paints to create some filters on the surface of the paint. And for this I used 3 oil colors, Starship Filth, Dark Mud, and Dark Rust, all from 501 Optilum. This is pretty simple. All it involves is putting down the dots of oil paint and using a flat brush to just kind of blend them into the surface of the paint. The last part of the weathering process involves some paint fading, and basically what I did with this is I took some white oil paint and just kind of painted it along the edges of certain areas that I wanted the paint to be faded, and then just used a small flat brush to blend it into the surface. All that was left is to drop in the canopy and R2, and this model is complete. If you guys have any questions about any of the things that I've done, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you guys have any requests, be sure to let me know.